Your eyes work from the moment you wake up until the moment you fall asleep every single day. But what most people do not realize is that your eyes also repair themselves while you sleep. The retina, located at the back of your eye, plays a key role in capturing light and forming images. When the retina becomes weak or damaged, vision may become blurry or less clear over time. Studies suggest that millions of people experience vision problems due to poor nutrition and lifestyle habits. Digital screens, aging, and lack of essential nutrients may gradually weaken eye health. Many people think vision loss is simply a part of aging that cannot be improved naturally. However, certain nutrients may help support retinal repair and protect eye cells from damage. Some fruits contain powerful antioxidants that nourish the eyes and improve visual function. These nutrients may support the natural repair processes that occur during sleep, but not all fruits provide the same benefits for eye health. Some fruits are especially rich in vitamins that protect the retina and improve vision clarity. In today's video, you will discover 5 fruits that may help restore vision naturally and support retinal health. One of these fruits contains compounds that protect your eyes from screen damage. Stay until the end because the final fruit may be the most powerful for eye protection. Your eyes are complex organs that require proper nutrition to function at their best. The retina plays a central role in converting light into signals that the brain can understand. Healthy retinal cells are essential for clear vision and focus. Over time, oxidative stress may damage these delicate cells. Oxidative stress is caused by free radicals that harm cells and tissues in the body. Poor diet, lack of sleep, and environmental factors may increase this damage. The good news is that the body has natural repair mechanisms. During sleep, the body works to repair damaged cells and restore balance. Providing the right nutrients may support this natural repair process. Certain vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants are essential for eye health. These nutrients help protect retinal cells and improve overall vision quality. Fruits are one of the best natural sources of these nutrients. Including the right fruits in your daily diet may support long-term eye health. In this video, you will learn about 5 fruits that help restore vision and support retinal repair naturally. Let's begin with a fruit known for its powerful eye-protecting nutrients. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most powerful fruits for supporting eye health and vision clarity. They contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. Anthocyanins help protect retinal cells from oxidative stress and damage. Reducing oxidative stress may support better retinal function over time. Blueberries may also improve blood flow to the eyes. Good circulation ensures that the retina receives enough oxygen and nutrients. Some studies suggest blueberries may help reduce eye fatigue caused by screen exposure. This makes them especially helpful for people who spend long hours using digital devices. Blueberries also contain vitamin C, which supports overall eye health. Vitamin C helps protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Adding blueberries to your daily meals is simple and convenient. They can be eaten fresh, added to smoothies, or mixed with yogurt. Consistent intake may support long-term vision health. Even small portions may provide powerful antioxidant benefits. Have you noticed less eye strain when eating antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries regularly? 2. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, which supports eye health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage. This protection is especially important for the retina, which is sensitive to light exposure. Oranges may help reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. They also support healthy blood vessels in the eyes. Strong blood vessels ensure proper nutrient delivery to eye tissues. Oranges also help boost the immune system, which supports overall health. A healthy immune system may help reduce inflammation in the body. Lower inflammation supports better eye function and retinal health. Oranges are also hydrating due to their high water content. Proper hydration supports tear production and eye comfort. Eating oranges regularly may help maintain healthy vision over time. They are easy to include as a snack or part of breakfast. Fresh oranges are usually better than processed juices with added sugar. Have you included citrus fruits like oranges in your daily diet for eye health? Many people enjoy their refreshing taste while supporting their vision. If you are learning helpful ways to improve vision naturally and support retinal health, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more simple health tips every week. Our goal is helping you discover natural foods that support eye health and overall wellness. Also, comment below and tell us which fruit you eat most often for better vision. Your comment may help others choose healthier foods for their eyes. Now let's continue with more fruits that may support natural vision improvement. 3. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit rich in nutrients that support eye health and vision clarity. It contains beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, especially in low-light conditions. A deficiency in vitamin A may lead to night vision problems. Papaya also contains vitamin C and other antioxidants. These nutrients help protect eye cells from oxidative stress. Reducing oxidative stress may support retinal repair processes during sleep. Papaya also supports digestion, which helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Better nutrient absorption means more vitamins reach the eyes. Papaya is also hydrating and easy to digest. Including it in your diet may support overall health and eye function. It can be eaten fresh or added to fruit salads and smoothies. Consistent consumption may provide long-term benefits for vision. Natural foods often work best when consumed regularly. Have you tried papaya for improving your overall health and vision naturally? Many people enjoy its sweet taste and health benefits. 4. Avocado. Avocado is a unique fruit that provides healthy fats essential for eye health. These healthy fats help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin E. Vitamin E helps protect eye cells from oxidative damage. This protection is important for maintaining retinal health over time. Avocados also contain lutein, a nutrient that supports eye health. Lutein helps protect the retina from harmful light exposure. It may also reduce the risk of age-related eye problems. Avocados support overall circulation, which benefits eye tissues. Good blood flow ensures that the eyes receive essential nutrients. They are also rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Lower inflammation supports better eye function and comfort. Avocados can be added to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Their creamy texture makes them easy to include in meals. Regular consumption may support long-term vision health. Have you noticed better eye comfort when including healthy fats like avocados in your diet? Many people report improved overall well-being with these foods. 5. Mango. Mango is a delicious fruit packed with nutrients that support eye health. It contains beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy retinal function. It helps the eyes adjust to light changes and improves night vision. Mango also contains antioxidants that protect eye cells from damage. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the retina. Reducing stress may support natural repair processes during sleep. Mango also contains vitamin C, which supports overall eye health. Vitamin C helps protect against age-related vision decline. Mango is also hydrating and supports overall body health. Including mango in your diet may help provide essential nutrients for the eyes. It can be eaten fresh or added to smoothies and desserts. Moderate consumption is recommended due to its natural sugar content. Balanced nutrition is key for long-term health benefits. Have you tried including mango regularly for better vision support? Many people enjoy its sweet taste while benefiting their eyes. Conclusion. Your eyes rely on proper nutrition to maintain clear vision and healthy retinal function. Certain fruits provide essential vitamins and antioxidants that support eye health naturally. Blueberries help protect the retina from oxidative stress and improve circulation. Oranges provide vitamin C that supports eye tissues and reduces inflammation. Papaya delivers vitamin A that supports night vision and retinal repair. Avocados provide healthy fats and lutein that protect eye cells. Mango supports retinal function with beta-carotene and antioxidants. Including these fruits regularly may support natural vision improvement over time. Healthy habits combined with proper sleep support the body's natural repair processes. Your retina works to repair itself while you sleep, especially with proper nutrition. Small dietary changes can lead to meaningful improvements in eye health. If you want to learn more about protecting your vision naturally, watch the next video on your screen about foods that improve eyesight and prevent vision loss. Taking care of your eyes today helps protect your vision for the future.